Has this ever happened to you? You learn 10 new English words today. You feel happy. But 3 days later, you cannot remember them. They are gone. This is the biggest problem for almost every learner. We learn and then we forget. It feels like filling a bucket that has a hole in the bottom. Today, I want to tell you about a book that fixes this exact problem. It teaches us how to remember words for a very long time. The book is called Fluent Forever. Welcome to the English Flow podcast. My name is Lucas. Please subscribe to the English Flow podcast right now so you can learn easy English every day. Now, let us open this smart book together. Learn how to never forget English again. First, what is this book about? Fluent Forever was written by Gabriel Wyner. He learned several languages, and he wanted to know the best way to remember words. So he studied how the brain works. Then he made a clear method to learn a language and keep it in your memory. The book is full of smart tricks based on how our memory really works. And the best part is, these tricks are simple and you can use them today. Now let us learn the first big idea. Use pictures, not translation. Many learners study like this. They write the English word and next to it, the word in their own language. But the book says this is not the best way. Instead, connect the English word to a picture. For example, for the word apple, do not write your own language. Look at a picture of an apple. When you connect apple to the real image, your brain remembers it much better and faster. Pictures are stronger than translations. Why do pictures work better? Because our brain loves images. We remember pictures much more easily than plain words. When you see a picture of a dog and learn the word dog at the same time, the word and the image join together in your mind. Later, when you think of a dog, the English word comes too. So when you learn new words, try to see them, not just translate them. This one small change makes a big difference. Now let us learn the second big idea, and it is very important. Learn the sounds of English first. Before you learn many words, learn how English really sounds. Listen carefully to how words are spoken. Practice making the sounds with your own mouth. The book says that if you can hear the sounds clearly, you will learn words faster and understand people better. Many learners skip this and struggle later. So give time to listening and to the sounds of English from the very beginning. Now here is maybe the most powerful idea in the book. It is about the best time to review a word. Our brain forgets things slowly over time. But here is the trick. If you review a word just before you are about to forget it, the memory becomes much stronger. And each time you do this, you can wait longer before the next review. This smart method is called spaced repetition. It means reviewing words at growing time gaps. It is one of the best ways to keep words in your memory forever. Let me explain spaced repetition in simple words. Imagine you learn a new word today. You review it tomorrow, then you review it again in 3 days, then in 1 week, then in 2 weeks. Each time, you wait a little longer. By reviewing at the right times, the word moves deep into your long memory. You do not waste time reviewing words you already know well. You review each word exactly when you need to. This is smart, fast, and very powerful. The book also talks about flashcards. A flashcard has a question on one side and an answer on the other. For example, a picture of a cat on one side and the word cat on the other. You can use small paper cards or a free app on your phone. Many apps use spaced repetition for you, so they show you each card at the perfect time. Flashcards are one of the best tools to learn and remember words. The book shows you how to make them well. Here is another beautiful tip. Make your words personal. Do not just learn cold, faraway words. Connect new words to your own life. For the word happy, think of a real moment when you were happy. For the word house, use a picture of your own house. When a word is connected to your own life and feelings, your brain holds it tightly. Personal words are remembered. Boring, faraway words are forgotten. So make your learning about your own world. Let me also share this. The book says it is good to make your own flashcards, not just buy ready-made ones. Why? Because the act of making the card is itself a way of learning. When you choose the picture and write the word yourself, you are already learning it. It takes a little more time, but it works much better. Your own cards, with your own pictures, are the strongest cards of all. Now, let me show you how this connects to our podcast. When you listen to me, you hear words used in real, clear English. This helps you learn the sounds, just like the book says. When you hear a new word, you can make a flashcard for it. Use a picture, not a translation. Then review it with spaced repetition at growing time gaps. And listen to the same episode again after a few days, which is its own kind of review. With these smart tricks, the words you learn here will stay with you forever. We have learned so many smart memory tips today from Fluent Forever. We learned why we forget words, like a bucket with a hole. We learned to use pictures instead of translation because our brain loves images. We learned to study the sounds of English first. We learned the powerful idea of spaced repetition, reviewing words at growing time gaps. And we learned to use flashcards, make words personal, and make our own cards. What will we talk about next time? Next time, we will explore the helpful book English Vocabulary in Use and learn how to study words by topic and in real sentences, all in easy English. You do not want to miss it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Follow us on all our social media pages for more daily English practice. Thank you for listening to the English Flow podcast. Keep learning, keep remembering, and keep speaking English.